Welcome to the project demonstration of solar water purifying fabrication system. So in this project we are going to do the water purification with the help of solar power. So generally like these are the stages in our water purification system. So one thing is we are going to take the water inlet from this cable, this pipe, and this was given as input to the pre-filtering initially, and then after with the help of the motor. So it's going to be the 12 volt 50 watts DC water pumping motor, and it will take the water pumping through this pre-filtering cartridge through the salinity and TDS controlling, and then after mineral cartridge, and then after UV lamp. So after these 4 stages we are going to get the 5 stages, we are going to get the purified water as well as rejected RO, reverse osmosis water, that was from the here this blue pipe. And here we also can control the TDS controlling, that was there, this knob. So from this notch we can control the this is the main TDS controlling purpose. So when we are fully open, so then the TDS controlling is not enabled. So when we placed in so this is the total TDS controlling off and full on. So in the medium, so it's going to the middle level, so it's indicating as the TDS nothing but it will provide the taste to the water. So when we are offing this, we are going to controlling the RO water, means we are allowing the more RO water and less purified water. So that's why it's filter in 2-3 more stages, then we'll get the pure water with different taste. So for that, this is the TDS controlling through the UV lamp. So coming to the electrical devices, so the whole system powered by the 24 volt 2 amps. So here each battery pack consists of 4 volt 1 amp are connected in series with the 3 sets. That's why we get the 12 volt 1 amp, and these two are connected in parallel, so 12 volts 2 amps, and these 2 sets are connected in series. So through this white cable we can see that. So that's why we are getting the 24 volts of 2 amps battery power, and it is a rechargeable battery, so we can charge in battery in 2 ways. So when there is a sunlight is less, we can charge the battery from the 230 volts input from this transformer through this charging circuitry, as well as we can charge this battery from this charging circuitry from the solar panel. And also we are going to provide this 24 volts to the DC water pumping system, as well as main input to this UV lamp driver, because the UV lamp driver need 230 volts AC input. So for that we are going to step up and inverting the input voltage to the 230 volts AC output from this inverter. This is the RLC inverter, so it will generate the 50 hertz of pulses of 24 volts, and that will be step up to the 230 volts through this transformer. So after that we will get the 230 volts of AC, and that was given as input to the UV lamp. And coming to the pH sensor, so in order to monitor the pH value of the water before filtering and after filtering, we are making use of one pH sensor which was designed by the PIC microcontroller, with the help of PIC microcontroller. So we are going to get the input of this pH sensor input to the A0 pin of our PIC 16F72 microcontroller, and the LCD will display the pH value. So just we need to connect the power supply. So now on the LCD display we can see the pH values. So now it's not connected, so that's why it's showing the 0 value. So when we place inside the water, we can see the pH value will be changing from 6 to 7. Okay, right. So let us see the demonstration directly. So here we need to on the 2 switches. One switch is for the DC pumping purpose, and another switch for the UV lamp. So we can see the UV lamp, right? The UV lamp got switched on. So now we can see this, and this is the in. So it will take the water. So we should keep the both. So it will the RO water, because you can see that the pumping is more now. So if I place the TDS controlling more, and then we can see that the water got controlled. So in this manner we can control the TDS controlling also. And so this is the purified water. Thank you.